on the record, this is the people versus Thomas Andrew Jackson. Calling case is SP 799934-1. Count 1, driver while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance. And SP 3669-611, driving while license not valid or improper license. Appearance?
Paul Faulkner, P22994, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Thomas Jackson.
Your Honor, there's an offer. My client would accept it.
Okay, Mr. Jackson, the offer, to be clear, is for you to plead guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid operator's license, with the remaining 2 counts to be dismissed. Is that your understanding of the offer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, I am.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, I am.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, Mr. Jackson, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to February 16th, 2015, around 2:10 p.m. in the area of Warren and Lenox in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 1997 Ford vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes, Your Honor.
And at that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay. I will accept your guilty plea, Mr. Jackson. I will dismiss the 2 remaining counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
So stipulate.
Okay, Mr. Jackson, the fine is $240, and that covers mandatory court costs and attorney fee. How much, first I should ask you, did you post a bond on this case?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
How much?
$580.
Okay, so I will apply your bond to your $240 fine and to any reinstatement fees, okay? That's the fee that
Yes.
license with the Secretary of State, and any balance that you have left over will be returned to you in the mail, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Next, I'm going to do Ms. Barron Ford. Ms. Ford, go ahead and unmute your device.
Okay.
Good morning, Ms. Ford.
Hi, good morning.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Go ahead and hit join, and Attorney Faulkner will discuss your options today, okay?
Okay.
Her offer is for failure to display.
Okay, Your Honor.
And Attorney Grady, I have an offer now.
I think I lost my client. Let me
Oh, he's
text
there. He just doesn't have his video on. He's still here.
Patrick Fain.
Yep, he's there. So one of his cases is up for review. It's for disorderly conduct from 2017, and he has $270 left to pay on that. And he also, for the one disorderly conduct that has not been adjudicated, the offer is for him to plead as charged with a 3-month delayed sentence. So at the end of it, it'll be dismissed if he doesn't pick up any other cases.
That's correct, Your Honor. He's going to plead, if the court doesn't object, no contest to the 6417 case, lack of memory.
Okay.
Judge, would it be necessary to return?
No,
3. Oh, great. Thank you.
no. So if you're ready, we can go on. We can go
He's
on
on
now.
I'm
I'm
sorry.
Go ahead.
He's on
Good morning.
virtual now. Mr. Fain, state your name.
Patrick Feehan.
There we go.
So last name again? You said Feehan?
Correct.
Feehan, okay. Good morning. I had it all-
Good morning, Your Honor.
Do you want me to speak in private in the breakout room, or can I call the case?
You can call the case. That's fine with me.
You can call the case. We've got we're going to plead.
Okay. All right, let's call it. This is the People versus Patrick Michael Feehan, calling cases U 387456117, set for a review for one count of disorderly conduct, and U 399064117, one count of disorderly conduct, set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Here,
Morning, Your Honor. Judith Grady on behalf of Patrick Feehan. He's on virtual today. He's agreed to be on virtual. And we have an agreement.
okay, Mr. Feehan, can you state your name for the record, please?
Patrick Feehan.
Your Honor, I'm standing in for Attorney Matthew Remora with his consent, and P number is P24361. And Your Honor, my client, the agreement is as follows. On the case of 5617, we'd like the case to be closed out, and he would plead no contest to 6417 disorderly conduct with a 3-month review date or no return date.
Okay, Mr. Feehan, is that your understanding of the offer today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, would you like to take that offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Well, actually, you know what? I don't have to swear you in because the no contest plea.
Okay.
So Attorney Grady, I will accept a no contest plea on the basis of lack of memory. Is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for the guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
So I will accept the guilty plea, Mr. Feehan. What I'm going to do, you have $270 left on the case ending in 617. I will zero out that balance. You did pay something on that. You paid $100. I'll zero out that balance, and you just have to pay $240 for the current case by within the next 3 months. Can you handle that?
Oh, yeah, no problem, Your Honor.
Your Honor, did you say 240?
Yes.
Great.
So if you don't pick up any cases, no disorderly conduct, no traffic matters, misdemeanors, this will be dismissed in 3 months. You don't have to come back to court, and it'll be all set. So you'll have nothing on your record after this.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Any questions?
No questions. Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. You all have a good day.
You
You
have
too.
thank you to you and your staff.
Thank you. You ready on Ms. Ford?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Ms. Ford.
That's you.
Ms. Louise Ford, good morning. I have you checked in. There's another Ms. Ford that I'm dealing with right now, and then I'll address you. But we have another Ms. Ford, so I don't want you to be confused.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, Ms. Farron Ford.
Yes.
Calling case SP 101-42931, People versus Farron Ford, one count of driving while license not valid or improper license, set for a pre-trial today. Clearance?
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And your name, ma'am?
Aaron Ford.
Your Honor, my client will accept the offer for the reduction to failure to display.
Okay, Ms. Ford, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Faulkner today in private about your case and about your rights.
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand, Ms. Ford, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you say yes? I didn't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ms. Barron Ford, I'd like to bring your attention to August 9th, 2019, around 1:04 PM in the area of Regent, Ringard in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2002 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
Were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
And at that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And Ms. Ford, did you post a bond on this case?
Not yet.
Well, you won't have to now that you've taken care of it. So, the fine is gonna be $240. That covers mandatory court costs and an attorney fee. How much time do you need to take care of that?
I'm currently on SSI, so I have to probably a month. I don't have any money right now.
3 months, if that makes it easier.
Huh?
3 months, how about that?
Okay, that'll work. Even though I would pay it before then, but yeah, that'll work.
I'd rather put the date out and you have your, take your time paying it. You have to come back. You're welcome.
Thank
Do you have any questions, Ms. Ford?
No. How do I pay it, the ticket, if I can't come up there?
So you can come up to the courthouse if you want to do it in person. We have a kiosk outside the building.
Okay.
But you can pay online at 36districtcourt.org. If you Google 36 District Court, our website will pop right up.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you have a couple options.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, well, you have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye.
Bye. Mr. Jackson? Mr. Gregory Jackson, go ahead and unmute your device. There we go. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm okay.
I'm going to put you in with Attorney Faulkner so you can discuss your options today. What is your middle name, Mr. Jackson?
Mariano.
Okay. Attorney Faulkner, his offer is going to be for 2 counts of failure to display.
Other 7 to be dismissed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes.
Okay,
So, Mr. Jackson, go ahead and hit join on your screen, and I'll take you to a breakout room. So, there's a couple of counts for Gregory Jackson. Can you just go on the document and enter? I can just tell you which one's complete.
Which one is it?
It'll be, last. Yep, 0619. Okay. Okay, got it.
Yeah, here it goes. I can put it here.
That is the 8184.
318-434-061. You had 17-366.
Okay, this is the other one that don't have another one.
A couple seconds. You need to, you know.
I don't need
Okay.
Ready on
Sure.
Mr. Gregory?
He's going to take a plea, Your Honor.
Okay. This is the People versus Gregory Jackson, calling cases SP 101-32612, no insurance. SP 101-32613, driver's license never acquired. SP 3760651, no operator's license on person. SP 3760652, unregistered or untitled vehicle. SP 3760653, improper plates. 144665911, improper license. 162468891, no operator's license on person. 184340061, no operator's license on person. 173666911, no operator's license on person. All set for arraignment on the bench warrant appearance.
All following representative defendant, your name, sir?
Gregory Jackson.
Your Honor, my client will accept the offer and plead guilty to 2 failure to displays.
All right, Mr. Jackson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Faulkner today in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, you wish to continue and plead guilty.
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention, Mr. Jackson, to August 24th, 2017, around 8:05 a.m. in the area of Green Lawn and 6 Mile in the city of Detroit. We operate a 2015 Volkswagen.
Yes.
Were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
At that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, lastly, Mr. Jackson, I'd like to bring your attention to June 9th, 2018, around 6:10 p.m. in the area of Green Lawn and Florence in the city of Detroit. We operate a 2015 Chevy vehicle.
Yes.
And were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer? I didn't hear your audio went out.
Yes.
And at that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will just list the remaining counts on the docket. There are stipulated probable cause.
So stipulate.
Mr. Jackson, did you post a bond on these cases at all?
Yes.
How much?
$1,400.
Okay, that's more than enough to take care of the $240 I'm going to impose today, okay?
Okay.
So what I'll do is I'll apply your bond to, I'm waiving your fines and costs for one of the cases because it's typically $240 for each count. So I'm gonna waive, bring your balance down to 0 for one of the counts you pled guilty to. So I will apply your bond to that $240 for the other account you pled guilty to. And I'll also apply your bond to any reinstatement fees you have, okay?
Okay.
You have any questions?
No.
Okay, Mr. James, you're all set. You have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Patrice Johnson. Good morning, Ms. Johnson. Unmute you so we can hear you.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to put you into a breakout room with Attorney Faulkner. He will discuss with you your options today, okay?
Okay.
Her offer is for improper plate, Attorney Faulkner, with the remaining count to be dismissed.
Hey,
So go ahead and hit join, Ms. Johnson, on your screen, and I'll take you to the breakout room. Ms. Faulkner?
Yes,
Okay, we lost you. You're back.
yes.
Okay. You didn't talk to the attorney at all, did you? You didn't have a chance to?
I did, you said, did I talk to the attorney?
I'll ask a better question. Do you need to go back into a breakout room to speak to him more or in more detail?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank
All
you.
right, Just hold tight. I'm gonna call, or I'll put you in as soon as you get out.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hello?
yeah, you made it.
Oh, okay.
Just be patient till the judge calls your case.
All right.
Okay. Okay, Attorney Faulkner, I'm gonna put you back in with Ms. Falconer.
Johnson.
She's back.
Oh, okay, that's the one that,
Was disconnected.
yeah, on purpose.
Improper place.
Yeah, she was gonna accept it. Oh, no, she has some paperwork, and I wanted to be able to see it. That's the reason we had to have the camera
Falconer?
going.
Ms. Falconer, can you hear me?
Maybe she couldn't get the camera going.
Hello. I'm sorry, I was on mute.
That's fine. Do you
Okay.
have the ability to email documents?
Yes, I can.
Okay. And you said you have valid insurance, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjourn your matter so that you can email the court your insurance. So I will reschedule you for Friday. That gives you enough time to send it into the court. If we received it by Friday, and it's valid, I will go ahead and dismiss it. And then you call in Friday morning and I'll verify that for you, okay?
Okay.
So I need to take down, an email address, my email address.
Okay. Can I ask you a question? Am I speaking to the judge or?
Yes, this is Judge Sabree.
Okay, I just wanted to address you appropriately. Your Honor, the thing is that that vehicle, I do have the paperwork for when I had insurance on it, but I'm not driving it. I have another car, but I do have insurance on that one. I don't know if you wanted the paperwork from September or do you want both? I don't know.
From September if you have it.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all I need. So, my email address is Aliyah, Aliyah.
Okay. ALY. Okay. Okay, like the spelling of it on here. ALIYH. Okay.
Dot. SABREE.
Okay.
At 36, so that's 36TH.
Yes, ma'am.
District Court. .org.
Okay.
Okay, of course, that's right. So you have to.
Okay.
So read it back to me. I want to make sure you have it right. It's long.
Okay. Aliyah, ALIYAH .SABREE at 36districtcourt.org.
That is correct. Okay, Ms. Falconer, just go ahead and send the document in and call us Friday morning and I will dismiss it on the record, okay?
Thank you very much. Have a great day. Stay safe, Your Honor.
You as well. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Attorney Faulkner. Have
Oh,
a
my
nice
pleasure. My pleasure. You too.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, let's go ahead and take the record.
Yes.
Are you ready, sir?
Perfect timing. I have two more of these. Oh, my goodness. You got yours. That's D'Angelo Jordan.
Okay, thank you.
That's me ready to lock the room now. Okay, we're on the record. This is people versus Patrice Johnson, calling case P 1076064. Count 1, driving unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance. Appearance.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant, and your name, ma'am?
Patrice Johnson.
Yeah, there is an offer. My client accepts it. Improper plates.
Ms. Johnson, where is the vehicle now?
I don't have it no more. It got junked.
It was being junked when she got the tickets. They just had to have it towed away.
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed that. I'm looking at the ticket and the description here.
She had the registration.
Yeah, I'm going to dismiss this matter.
Thank you.
Especially
Thank
because
you.
she has registration. The statute regarding no insurance on the vehicle allows me to go ahead and dismiss this. So I will do so. Ms. Johnson, I'm dismissing both. The vehicle has been junked and was not being operated at the time. And you received the ticket. So I'm dismissing without prejudice. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
No stipulate.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good day, Ms. Johnson.
Thank you.
Who was the officer on that, Your Honor?
Baker.
Yeah, okay. He's the only one that writes those.
I know, that's why I always look at the name to see, because it was, we've been through this already, but he's still writing stuff, so. The only one. Okay, for Ms. Ford and Mr. Jones, I am waiting for an offer. It shouldn't be that long. Mr. D'Angelo Jordan, he has appointed counsel. We have a motion hearing at 9:30. So, just wait a moment. Good morning, Mr. Jordan.
Good morning.
How are you doing today?
Good.
So we're gonna get started probably about around 9:40, 9:45. So if you have something you need to attend to in the meantime, feel free to do so, okay?
Okay.
Judge, did you see that doctor that they zoomed in on for a court date?
Yes, I did. The surgeon. They're telling the judge that he can go ahead and start. That's a new one. In the middle of surgery, too.
In the middle of surgery, he started talking to that judge.
Then I think, did he say something like, well, I have a backup surgeon just in case something happens?
Yeah, he said, I can take a break.
Wow. Okay, I have Ms. Ford's offer ready. It's as charged with a 6-month delay.
And what is the actual charge?
It is for possession of drugs. It specifically is for, well, it's alleged here for heroin.
Okay.
And the field test was positive.
Okay, what date is the ticket? I mean,
It is from September 8th of 2020.
okay.
Ms. Ford, go ahead and hit join on your screen. It should pop up in a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds. Attorney Faulkner is going to speak to you in private about your options here today, okay?
Okay.
You hit join now.
I didn't know touch shots. I never leave stuff like that. I was like, I'm not touching it. So you never. It was so crazy. I started just rather leave it alone. So you give me thumbs up.
Talking.
I've been just talking away on mute. Okay. We're on the record. This is People versus Louise Ford, calling case U576-50320. One count of possession of drugs. Appearance?
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. And your name again, ma'am? Oh, it's on mute. Yeah, okay, there you go.
Right.
Your name again?
Louise Ford.
Your Honor, my client wishes to plead no contest to the lack of, she doesn't remember what happened that day.
Okay, Ms. Ford, can you state your full name for the record?
Louise Ford.
Okay. And I will accept the no contest, Attorney Faulkner, on the basis of lack of memory. Are we stipulating to the face of the ticket?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, go ahead.
No, go ahead, Mr. Attorney Faulkner.
No, I was going to address sentencing. Are we at that stage yet?
Yeah, we're there.
Okay, my client is 73 years old, and something just happened that day, and she's not a user of it, but she went out and got some, and she sort of remembers it, but and she's on Social Security.
Okay. And Ms. Ford, you do
Yes.
understand that so I accepted a guilty plea here. After 6 months, if you haven't picked up any cases, then this will be dismissed from your record. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. So the fine is $240. Attorney Faulkner stated to me that you're having difficulty. You're gonna have difficulty paying that. Is that my understanding?
Yes. I get Social Security. How long do I have to pay it?
You have 6 months.
Thank you.
Does that work?
Yes, thank you so much.
Make sure you pay within the 6 months so that this case will be dismissed. If you pay outside the 6 month window, this won't be dismissed from your record, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yes, where do I make the payments?
Oh, sorry. You can pay online. You can Google 36 District Court and pay online. Or you can, if you want to physically come to the courthouse, we have a kiosk in front of the courthouse. You can pay. They're accepting payments inside, but I wouldn't go inside. You have to wait in line.
Right.
So those are your options, pretty much.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
Have a great day.
Thank you, Attorney.
Thank you, Attorney.
My pleasure, Ford.
Have a great day, also.
Thank you, too.
You've been getting a lot of thank yous today, Paul.
I'm surprised.
I know.
Not that I don't deserve them, but I'm just surprised.
Never about whether we deserve it. Okay, I have Mr. Jones' offer ready.
Okay.
His offer is for disorderly conduct with the STI testing, community service, and morality class recommendation from Ms. Rogers.
And you follow that recommendation?
I will, probably minus the community service.
Okay. Okay.
Mr. Jones, go ahead and unmute your device, please. Mr. Jones.
There we go.
Unmute your device, Mr. Jones. We're waiting for you. You're the last person. We have to get to a hearing. Just press unmute so we can get started.
Okay, sorry about that. I got it.
Okay, you're good.
I've been here the whole time.
Okay, I'm going to put you into a breakout room with Attorney Faulkner. He's going to discuss with you in private your options, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and hit join on your screen. No problem. Thank you. Okay, they have to call back.
You know how this ends.
You're
Good morning, how are you, Judge?
You need to speak to Mr. Jordan at all?
Nope, we talked last night.
Okay. I'm gonna run to my chambers while Attorney Faulkner speaking to the last person. Come back here.
Ms. Rogers, is Honeycutt part of your?
Yes. Okay, ready on Mr. Jones?
Yes, Your Honor.
And sir, is your first name Fabo?
Tabo.
I was all wrong. That's why I asked.
That's okay. It looks like Fabo.
Tabo?
No H. Pronounced Tahbo.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We're on the record. This is People versus Tabo Jones. Calling case U569-14220. One count of offer to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution. Appearance.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Tabo Jones.
Your Honor, my client wishes to plead guilty to disorderly conduct.
Okay, is that correct, Mr. Jones?
Yes, the disorderly conduct, I do. I feel like that was a fair assessment out of what occurred.
Okay, can you raise your right hand?
Yep.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Correct, I will.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Faulkner today in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, they didn't.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, to the disorderly, yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yeah, I'm guilty of disorderly. When I assess, as I said, when I assess that portion of it, I do feel my innocence with the original charge, but I won't go into that. I do plead guilty to disorderly. I can see how it's disorderly.
Mr. Jones, I am very clear that you were only pleading guilty to disorderly conduct, okay?
Okay.
And knowing that you're pleading guilty to disorderly conduct, you understand that you're waiving your right to a trial for this matter.
Yes.
Okay. Knowing that you're waiving that right to trial, do you wish to continue and plead guilty to disorderly conduct?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I'd like to bring your attention to April 13th, 2020, around 7:30 a.m. in the area of Michigan and Turnout in the city of Detroit. On that date and time and around that location, did you engage in disorderly conduct?
Yes, I did.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I will accept your guilty plea and amend the charge to disorderly conduct. Anything before sentencing?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Jones, the recommendation from the prosecutor is to require you to attend the misdemeanor morality class, to complete 8 hours of community service, and to also be tested for HIV and any STIs. We do not want, okay, I guess I should say that's a recommendation. I'm going to require you to do the misdemeanor morality class as well as the HIV STI testing. The testing, we just want to know that you were tested. We do not want the results. I'm not going to require you to do the 8 hours of community service.
Thank you. I have so much school.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
No, I'm sorry to interrupt. I said thank you. I have so much school that I'm doing right now. Thank you.
You're welcome. And there's going to be a $240 fine to pay. And that's
Now, did they factor in? My lawyer did talk to me. Did they factor in that this incident cost me $1,500?
I don't know anything about that. My $240 is the bare minimum court cost and $25 attorney fee.
Understood. No problem.
Yeah. So the $1,500 from your car being impounded?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am going to give you 3 months to take care of everything.
Okay.
That includes the $240.
All right.
I'm going to give you a couple pieces of information. One, your next court date. That will be June. June 8th.
June 8th. Okay, Tupac's birthday. I remember that.
Glad you remember it. You said it's not his birthday. Somebody here said it's June 15th, Mr. Jones.
15. I'll have to look into that. Well, now that'll make me definitely remember June 8th. Yeah.
I know he's a Gemini, but that's all I have for you. So also, take down this number. 313
Yeah,
965.
965.
Yes,
All right,
3414.
3414.
That's a number to probation so that you can sign up for the misdemeanor morality class, okay?
Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna even act as though. Let me go ahead and save that in because I don't have a pencil these days. People don't carry pencils. Okay. I can hear you though still. What was the number again?
313
Yep.
965
965.
3414.
Okay, have it.
And June 8th at 8:30 a.m. on Zoom.
June 8th, 8:30 Zoom. Okay, and that's just to assess that I did everything you asked of?
That is correct.
Okay, so this isn't technically probation, but I do have to report to probation to, okay, I've got it.
You got it, Mr. Jones. So you're just calling probation because they have the information. You're not on probation because of this.
And where did you say I pay?
You can pay online, 36district.org. Just Google 36 District Court. It'll pop right up.
36 District. All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good day, Mr. Jones.
All right, you as well. Thank you.
All right.